Cool. So choose your own adventure with herbs. My wife likes coffee. I like tea. And we can both make elixirs, with that as the base. And here's the, remember I was saying about in herbalism, compliance is key. If you don't take the herbs, they don't work. Let's say you're like, okay, I've been hearing about reishi. I know it's good for my cardiovascular health. I know it's good for liver health. I know it's good for balancing blood sugar. I know it's good for my immunity. It's just like, but it's just another thing to take, isn't it? Like, I got to add this to my routine. Well, you drink coffee? My wife does. And I literally, we've been together almost 20 years. I can count on two hands the number of days, probably one hand, the number of days that she has gone without a coffee. And it's not like she drinks 4 cups a day. It's just like she loves coffee. She's very committed to it. Any coffee drinker, like serious, will probably relate. It's like, yeah, love my coffee. Got to have my coffee. Now, what if you put the herbs in your coffee? You're guaranteed to take your herbs every single day. Yeah. So here's an idea. There's actually there's a multi-level marketing company out there. They claim to have the healthiest coffee in the world. You know why it's the healthiest coffee in the world? It's because they add reishi mushroom to it. It's nothing to do with the coffee. You can actually get better quality coffee elsewhere, but they put reishi mushroom in it, and then they have all these studies, all these testimonials. It's all about the reishi. Yeah. So how can you get your reishi and your coffee combined? Well, you can either make a reishi mushroom tea first and then brew your coffee with that. Or I know you like your, I don't know. I don't want to hear Timmy's, but like, I like my Starbucks, I like my craft coffee. I go to down the street. You can carry your little reishi in your pocket, the extract, just boom, drop it right in. There we are. You just damped it right up. Right. Yeah.